Finding the original value after a percentage change. If we have the percentage change and the new amount given, we can find the original amount by rearranging the formula shown in the following on screen. If the percentage change is positive, we have a percentage increase involved, otherwise, we have a percentage decrease. Rearranging the previous formula to isolate the original, initial, value, we obtain the following shown on screen. Thus, we obtain the following shown on screen. Example 1. The actual price of an item is $270 after a discount of 10%. What was the original price of the item? Solution 1. We have the actual value equals $270, and the percentage change equals minus 10% as the discount involves a percentage decrease. Thus, applying the previous formula, we obtain the following shown on screen. We can calculate the original value when we have a percentage increase as well. Let's use another example to illustrate this point. Example 2. A student obtained 84 points in an exam, increasing her result by 5% compared to the previous exam. What was her previous result? Solution 2. We have the following clues shown in the following on screen. Using the formula we have the following shown on screen. We obtain the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 5.3.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 5.3.5, Percentage Distribution. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.